Hello and welcome to English Tour. I hope your day has been fantastic so far. Today we are going to learn 5 expressions in English that are used to describe people. Expressions in the English language are fixed phrases that convey a specific meaning that may not be obvious from the individual words. They can greatly improve your speaking ability and make your speech more natural and fluent, allowing you to communicate effectively with others. So, try to learn and remember them well and use them in your daily practice or speech. Well, I won't waste more time. Let's learn. Number 1. Take a shine to someone or something. The phrase take a shine to someone or something means to develop a liking, admiration, or affection for someone or something. It implies a positive and often sudden or unexpected attraction. Look at this example. Ever since I met Sarah, I have taken a shine to her. She has such a warm and friendly personality.
I'm starting to take a shine to that Jane over there.
Russell, he took a shine to me right away.
It won't be the first time a teacher's taken a shine to a pretty young pupil, will it?
Number 2. Make a fuss over somebody or something. Make a fuss over somebody or something means to give excessive attention, care, or concern to someone or something. It suggests going above and beyond what is necessary or expected, often in an overprotective manner. For example, the celebrity arrived at the event and the fans started to make a fuss over him. They screamed, took pictures, and asked for autographs.
I'm not gonna make a fuss over it.
But I adored that they always made a fuss over you.
Yeah, and then they make a fuss over you, and then you don't have to go to school.
Number 3. Get one's way. The phrase get one's way means successfully achieve or obtain what one desires or wants. For example, Jane is known for her negotiation skills. She always finds a way to get her way in business deals.
If it was me, I'd get my way by any means possible.
How did you convince your parents to let you go to the winter ball on Christmas Eve?
Hashtag I always get my way.
You don't get your way, you stamp your feet like a little baby.
In this world, pretty girls such as yourself, they get their way all the time.
Number 4. At one's pleasure. The phrase at one's pleasure means doing something according to one's desire, preference, or convenience. It indicates that the action or decision is entirely up to individual and can be done whenever they choose. For example, you may use the company's gym facilities at your pleasure. There are no specific time restrictions or limitations.
You're appointed by the mayor and you serve at his pleasure?
Yes.
The slave is to be taken to the Pharaoh's prison and held there at my pleasure.
Sir, I serve at your pleasure.
Good.
Number 5. White as a ghost or white as a sheet. The phrase white as a ghost or white as a sheet are expressions used to describe someone's appearance when they appear extremely frightened. It suggests a loss of color in person's face, often due to shock, fear, or illness. For example, when the teacher caught him cheating on the exam, his face went as white as ghost. He knew he was in a big trouble.
I'm stunned. You turned white as a ghost.
The guy goes white as a sheet, says he doesn't know what I'm talking about.
Then why did you come in white as a ghost?
What's the matter, dear? You're white as a sheet.
Well, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you have learned these expressions well. Be sure to try to use these expressions in your conversations and exercises. There is no mastery without practice. If you like this video, like the video, and if you like to learn English with movies and TV series, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell. Until future videos, goodbye.